37.
3. B. Rahman, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that due to subsequent development, he would not like to press this petition. Full stop. The petition is accordingly closed as not pressed.
My lord. I beg to mention my lord, item 32 is complied with, my lord.
Part 3P. B. Purkasta, Learned Counsel for the petitioner,
And I'm for 1, 2, and 3, lord.
also heard. 3. SMT Chisti, Learned Counsel for the respondents. Para. The instant petition was instituted complaining deliberate and willful disobedience of an order dated so-and-so, passed in so-and-so. Para. 3. Purkasta, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has however informed that during the pendency of this petition, the
37.
aforesaid order in question has been complied with. Full stop. Para. In view of the aforesaid development, this court is of the opinion that the instant petition is not required to be continued any further. Full stop. Accordingly, the same stands closed. First part 2. Yes,
My lord, I beg to mention item number 8, my lord.
8. Yes,
The petitioner has got the relief, my lord.
8. 8. Okay. Your FL Oscar,
My lord.
who is appearing for the other side? For respond number 3. K Fukan, respond number 3. Okay. Anyone appearing in item number 8? Anyone else? No. Closed, huh? Okay. Order to be decided. Yes.
May I please ask you, but I will mention item number 25. But I need 1 week time to take instructions whether he got the, my lord, arrears salary or not, my lord. 25.
20 matter.
25, my, yes, my lord.
Item 20 matter.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Chisti, any instructions? in this?
My instruction is that on India 2024 lordship, director has written to the secretary. So that up to the instruction also we don't have lordship.
Yes, my lord.
Whether the
20 matter you complied with, perhaps? you
perhaps
have-
complied with, and the respondents are also no longer in service. Anyway, I'll get the instruction lordship.
Next week, any day, in the meantime, my lord, we'll take instructions whether.
Perhaps he has received it, lordship.
The Learned Counsel for the rival parties have prayed for some time to enable them to obtain instructions. Full stop. 3. 60. The Learned Counsel for the respondents 1 and 4 has also informed this court that there are change in the position of the incumbents. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed after a week. Please get the instruction, huh?
Yes,
To enable
Yes.
the Learned Counsel to obtain the instructions.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26.
Hmm.
Lordship, the petitioner has got the relief.
Okay, your name
C. Sharma,
on behalf of P. Mahanta,
lordship.
Shi Sharma. And
For 1 and 2.
SMT for 1 and 2, huh? Same order, huh? Closed.
Obliged, lord.
26. Agor can likhiba kintu order date sir. Yes,
May it please, lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18.
item number
18.
18. Yes.
Lordship, the Learned Salient Counsel is unable to appear today because he is facing certain medical issues.
Who is your senior?
Lordship, RC Das.
RC does.
Oh, okay. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri R.C. Das, Learned Counsel, on medical grounds, para. Considering the same, comma, matter is adjourned to be listed after a week.
Lordship.
Compliance order.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item 27 and 28. huh?
27,
27 and
27 and 28.
28.
28, yes.
Vote.
Lordship may close the contempt petition because the.
Complied with.
Yes, your.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. Your name is not there, madam?
No, your lordship.
On behalf of whom? PJ
Please
Saikia?
just wait.
Okay. Huh? No. Likhiba. And 64, respond
1,
of
2,
1,
and 3. 1, 2, and 3,
1,
lordship.
2, and 3.
Yes,
28 and 27.
27 and 28.
Separate order, Diva.
Yes.
Okay. M. Kichi? Yes.
Deeply observed.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
That's why I beg to mention item number 24, your lordship.
24.
Yes,
Yes.
Petitioner got relief, your lordship.
Yes,
What is your name?
Muhammad A. Rahman on behalf of A.W. Aman, your lordship.
Your name?
Muhammad A. Rahman,
A. Rahman. MD A. Rahman. On behalf of
A.W. Aman, your lordship.
A.W. Aman. Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Arbaki closed.
Highly obliged.
I'm for, in this, I'm also there, Lordships.
Yes, we have recorded your name.
Yes, yes.
May I please it your
Assam District,
Yeah.
yes.
Lordship regarding number,
One.
item number 10, actually Lordship, new incumbent would be required for the implement. Actually, earlier time also,
But this is a matter pending since 2019.
Lordship, it's regarding the salary of the librarian.
Understood, it is pending since the year 2019.
Yes, Lordship, newly changes the authority actually.
Newly means when was it changed?
Actually, I don't have the exact,
Mr. Gogoi, what
More
is
than
it?
3 years back, Losi, all persons are not there. So Losi may allow them to implement Losi.
Withdraw,
Allow them to implement.
complete. But 19 is pending, okay.
Losi.
What is your name?
Chief RC Alam,
Hmm?
RC Alam on behalf of PJ.
RC Alam?
Yes, sir.
On behalf of?
PJ Fupak.
Sri RC Alam, Learned Council appearing on instruction of
2 weeks
PJ
would be
Fukan.
required.
Council for the petitioner has submitted that there are changes in the post of the incumbents and therefore application for implement is required to be filed. Full stop para. In view of the above, the matter is adjourned by 2 weeks. Sri K. Gogoi Learned Council for the respondent 3 is present.
Losi.
Chief Lord.
Pleasant.
Same lordship, item number 21 lordship.
21. What is your name?
S. A. Islam, behalf of K. O. Mazumdar.
Okay, huh? S.A. Islam. On behalf of K. Mazumdar for the petitioner. But this, change in this. Samir Kumar Sinha is not there. That's one number one. He is not there
No,
since
not
in
there.
the loss in a
Right now,
long
he's
time.
not there.
2 weeks.
So,
May I please, Your Lordship? I'd like to mention item number 5.
5.
Yes.
Yes.
My senior is out of station,
Who is your senior, madam?
KDV,
So what do you want?
adjournment,
Adjournment. Till when?
1 week.
1 week. Okay.
They have to file impleading claims because both one retired and 2 expired, Lordship, in this case.
We'll grant you time. Okay.
Implead ko koriyo baido, huh?
A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Ms. K. Devi, Learned Council for the petitioners. Para. 3. SMT Chisti,
What about 6?
Learned Council for the respondent has however informed that the incumbents who were made parties are no longer holding the said post.
Yes.
Put subpara. In view of the above, the matter is adjourned by 2 weeks
6 also.
to enable the petitioners to file implement application, if so advised.
Koriyo.
May I please, Your Lordship? Item number 6 also.
6 also. Okay. Same order. 2 weeks. You file implement, madam. Otherwise, we have to dismiss this.
Already the action is there, huh? Koriyo.
Huh? Oh, 5 seconds.
My lord, there has been 3 prior directions, my lord, from this honorable court to implement the new Director of Higher Education, my lord. We have not managed to do that, my lord. The draft is ready, my lord. The client.
10 years contempt pending.
My lord.
Mr. Jidung has, he's retired
Long back.
long time back, at least 5 years.
Yeah.
Kanto Milli was the last incumbent, my lord. In fact, we have had carried out changes thrice, my lord. Now the new incumbent, Ms. Pomi Borwa, needs to be implemented, my lord.
When has the new incumbent joined the post?
My lord, as far as I'm aware, my lord, from the website, my lord, it's been 1 year, my lord. Not
1 year, what were you doing for more
My
than a
lord, it's
year?
been
More than 2 years.
more than 2 years.
What are you doing?
My lord, it's been a miss on our part, my lord.
Mr. Sharma, you're not supposed to make a request for taking steps when the matter reaches or is listed.
My
The
lord.
moment the incumbent is changed, you have to file an application.
My lord, there's been a miss on our.
How do you, see, these are contempt matters.
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord. We'll be
Once
doing
they
it-
have pointed out, we take it down. If it's gone, difficult.
My lord,
3. You're not there, Mr. Sharma.
my lord, my.
M. Sharma, Learned Council, appearing on instruction of Sri M. K. Chaudhary,
My lord,
Senior Counsel for the petitioner, submits that further applications for implement is required to be filed.
my lord.
Full stop. Para. It however transpires that the change in the incumbent has occurred
Last year, maybe.
at least a year back,
2 years back also.
2 years back.
about 2 years
2
back.
years.
Full stop. As 2 years back, as informed by Sri K. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the respondent. Para. Be that as it may, as a last chance, a week's time is granted to file implement
no,
application.
we'll be doing
or
it.
if advice.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Item two, otherwise complied lawsuit, the petitioner has given the accommodation as tutor, she has accepted and she has joined also lawsuit.
Okay, none appears for the petitioner
For
on
last couple
call,
of occasions, they have not paid.
whereas three SMTC is present for the respondents.
Yes, lawsuit.
Full stop. Even on the last occasion, that is 17/11/2025, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Para. Sri
Last space lawsuit. may I
Chisti, the learned counsel for the respondent has however submitted that as per a policy decision, the petitioner and similarly situated persons have been appointed, have been offered the appointment as a tutor, and the petitioner in the instant case has accepted the said appointment. Full stop. He has also submitted that as a condition of such appointment, the earlier litigations were supposed to be withdrawn
And they cannot claim the arrears salary also.
and withdrawn, and arrear salaries also cannot be claimed.
Yes.
Withdrawn. As a condition, arrear salaries cannot be claimed. Para. In view of the aforesaid development, this court is of the opinion that there is no requirement to continue any further with this case, and according to the same is closed. Para. The communication dated 13/1/2022 issued by the Director of Elementary Education placed before this court is made part of the records. You have a copy, Mr.
Yes, I have a copy.
Avadhi has submitted them, and in this regard, he has placed to piece of this part can piece of the copy of the recommendation is part of the record. Yes. Close.
Three of the same lawsuits, she was appointed, she has joined, even a joining report I had.
Same, huh?
Same exactly.
Okay, none appears for the petitioner on call.
And for the respondent lawsuit.
Even on the last two occasions, huh? Two occasions of it. Or it can do first line to this is an application. This is an application for compliance to close over. Or to communication dated 8 December 2023. Close school. Tutor,
Tutor.
both are same.
Yes.
Get like copy get that like. Oh, side like.
Four lawsuits here, the state has filed a review petition. It is number 231/2025, and it is pending lawsuits. And petitioner, they have also contested that review lawsuit. Though it is an old contempt lawsuit.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Whereas three SMT60 Learned Counsel is present for the
Respondent law.
respondents. He has also informed that with regard to the order of in question, a review application is filed, which is pending.
Review number 231/2025.
Being review application number 231 of
2025.
2024,
Right.
which is pending. Para. Be that as it may, in the interest of justice, the matter is adjourned to give the petitioner
Yes.
a further chance. List after a week, adjourned by a week. Adjourned by a week to give the petitioner a further chance. Yes. Mr. Bora,
Yes, per order dated 11/8/2025. Press proposal was sent for concurrence of the finance department.
11/8.
11/8.
Yes, anything, Mr. Where is Mr.
Eight.
Chalia, where is Mr. Chalia? Yes.
In the communication, Lordship, where concurrence has been given on, Lordship, may peruse this. We have already
11/8/25.
No, no, Lordship.
11/8.8 order.
Lordship, yes, here there was the initial financial proposal which was sent, Lordship, that was sent on the last financial year, because of which it had lost its validity. So the department had asked the school education department to resubmit a proposal, Lordship.
Oh.
So from the education
So
department.
now we have to send it again, Lordship. It was sent, Lordship, as
I-
it was sent in the fag end of the financial year. So they said it.
So for this financial year, there
What
was
is the direction, Mr. Bora?
Direction, Lordship, at page 10.
What is it about?
It is tendering services without wages. Thereafter, it starts from page 8.
What is the direction?
Direction in
Pay the wages.
to pay the wages,
area wages. Lordship.
arrear wages. Now we are getting regular pay, but the arrears are not there.
Okay, okay.
That
Heard Sri B.P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri SMT Chisti as well as Sri A. Chaliha, learned counsel for the respondents. Para. The learned counsel for the respondents have submitted that though a proposal was sent to the finance department for sanction, the same had elapsed on expiry of the financial year. Full stop. The matter is therefore under fresh consideration, it is under consideration to send a fresh proposal by the administrative department, namely the school education department. Full stop, para. In view of the above, consideration of this matter is deferred by a month, full stop, on the next date, further developments on the issue of on the aspect of issuing fresh proposal is to be is required and is to be brought to the knowledge is to be brought to the knowledge of this court. Please, this court is required to be apprised on the further on the status of the first. Yes, next. After a month, Mr. Bora.
yes.
Nine, 90. What about 9, Mr.
9 is, it was listed along with the contempt lawsuits. The SCRT are the main party lawsuit here.
9 is a repetition.
And 9 is the writ petition, this tag along with the contempt petition lawsuit.
Where is the counsel? He withdrew
He just
the
mentioned the at number 8.
Mr. F.L. Askar.
And counsel has also different lawsuit, both the cases.
That we know, but we could have at least asked him to. No, there is no representation from the petitioners when the matter is called upon. Also, on the other hand, the respondent department is represented by Sri SMT Chisti, understanding counsel para. This is a matter of 2019. And it was last listed on 17/2/2020 para. In view of the above, Mr. Laskar, F.L. Laskar, what about the writ petition, connected writ petition?
Leading counsel is Mr. S.C. Biswas, my lord.
No,
This
you
is
must be.
regarding appointment of principal, my lord.
Is it
Now he
alive? Is it alive or can you close it?
My lord, he is in now holding the post, my lord, principal,
Your client?
my lord.
Then there is nothing.
Nothing new.
Can you record your name?
My lord,
You can, because you are in the contempt. Heard Sri F.A. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri SMT Chisti, learned counsel for non-standing counsel, education department.
Yes.
Para. Sri Laskar, the learned counsel has at the outset clarified that he is not that he appears for the petitioner in the connected contempt case which has been closed today. Contempt case to Namdeva, contempt case 370/2019. He has also informed his court that his client is presently holding the post of principal in charge. What's the para? In view of the efforts of development, comma, this court is of the opinion that there is no requirement to continue with this writ petition, which was instituted in the year, which is pending since the year 2019. For the writ petition accordingly stands closed.
Obliged.
Principal in charge and his grievance is substantially redressed.
It will appointment parliament.
নাই গম পোৱা নাই হয়
No, last order, Losip, I have seen, Losip, I can see in the last order 16/8/2024.
Substantially redressed. Yes, which one?
In this present case, Losip, item 11.
11.
Yes, DP Board, council for the respondent has produced a photocopy of the order that so and so by which the petitioner has been appointed already.
Yes, yes.
So
there is another petitioner my lord
you have to obtain instruction.
but the
How many petitioner?
two petitioners are there.
Okay.
One was supposed to be appointed by the health department, one was supposed to be appointed by the education department. Health department, we have placed lordship. And my learned friend was asked to confirm whether or not, and regarding the education.
Yes, have you got the instructions?
No,
What
my
is-
lord, no, my lord. The person concerned, sir, my lord, they are blind person, my lord. I'm giving, although I'm trying to get information,
You
but
get the instruction, what is the post?
was my assistant teacher, my lord.
Huh?
Assistant teacher, my lord.
Assistant teacher.
My lord.
Persons who are visually impaired are,
Both are visually
can be appointed.
Right.
It is reserved for
yes,
PWD
my lord.
of this category.
My lord.
Heard three PJ Saikya, learned counsel for the petitioner as well as three, Saikya petitioner for petitioner. Also heard three SMT Shishti.
Oh.
As well as three H. Aliha, learned counsel for the respondents. Para? In the order dated 16/8/2024 of this court. Para? By which the learned counsel for the petitioner was directed to obtain instructions. Para? To Saikya, the learned counsel praised for and granted 2 weeks, 2 weeks further time to obtain the instructions. List after 2 weeks.
Allah is Lord.
Get the instructions, Mr. Saikya.
My lord.
Whole matter, we have to finish off this matter. Mr. Dutta, AK Dutta. Mr. Shishti, you are there?
Yes, good here.
Okay, your role was a limited one,
Yes,
to
Lord.
give the names of the new incumbents.
Yes, yes.
Thereafter,
This is regarding financial resistance, but I have received an instruction, a letter has been written by the director to the secretary that the scheme has been abolished long back. So now the director is seeking approval from the government lawsuit. The claim of the petitioner is that she's the lone lady teacher of the Sonaludari Dabri High School,
no, okay.
and she should be included in the staffing pattern for getting financial.
None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas the SMT Shishti learned counsel is present for the respondents. Para? There, in this writ petition pending since the year 2019, there has been lack of representation
And there's a direction to
On-
include also.
on behalf of the petitioner in the previous occasions, namely 25/5/2022 and 8/5/2023. Para? Even in the last occasion, that is 6/8/2024, comma, Sri Chisti, the learned standing counsel of the secondary education department, had submitted that the incumbents who are made parties have retired, and he had also given the names of the new incumbents. Full stop. This court had also recorded that further appearance of, no, the court hasn't recorded. But it appears that the petitioner has lost interest to pursue this case. Accordingly, the same is dismissed for want of prosecution. None appears for the petitioner on call. You are appearing, Mr.
Yeah, Lordship, that,
Deori, you are appearing,
yes.
whereas 3B Deori, learned counsel for the respondent number 2 is present. Full stop. On the last occasion, comma, 3 Deori, and last occasion, that is 18/6/2025, comma, 3 Deori, the learned counsel had informed this court that the process of release of pension to the petitioner in terms of the order of this court was on, and in this regard, he had placed before this court a communication dated 4/6/2025. What is the outcome now?
Yes, the department has already submitted the proposal to the pension department, Lordship. It was pension department.
The matter was accordingly adjourned. Full stop. Para.
Lordship, yes, my name was not shown, so I could not.
Doesn't matter. We're closing this.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Since it appears that steps have been taken for compliance of the order in question, comma, there may not be any further requirement to continue with this petition. Full stop. Para. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed. Who was given this? You have given this?
Yes, Lordship. Actually, Anne Fukon was there. My name also called Lordship. We can record. No issue.
I'm for respondent 2.
Yes, that we have recorded. Sri Chisti has also placed before this court a communication dated 6/6/2025 issued by the Joint Director, Elementary Education Assam, on the aspect of submission of pension proposal. Last order, copy of the communication dated 6/6/2025, along with its enclosure is made part of the records. Closed, huh? Huh? No, close. Substantial compliance report. Yes, madam. Item number?
Item number 40.
14. Yes, please.
Lordship, the engaged counsel is not present right now, so the matter.
Who is the engaged counsel?
Mr. P. Saikia, the petitioner. He's
Yes.
engaged in some other thing.
Whole matter, 920 matter.
Yes, 2020.
Have you replaced the incumbents? These incumbents are no longer there. You have not taken steps, madam. Who are the incumbents here? Pritam Saikia not there, Punendra Zidin not there, Sadhu Vijayadav not there, Zamsir Ali not there. Zamsir Ali may be there. The main petition respondents are not there. What is your name?
Mine, Sinorita Dev.
Huh?
Sinorita Dev. I'm new.
S?
SINORIT.
What? Sinorita?
Dev.
Dev, S. Dev. Heard Miss S. Dev, Learned Counsel, appearing instruction of Sri P. J. Saikia. Full stop. Also for the petitioner, huh? Also heard Sri SMT Shisti, Learned Counsel for the respondents, who has informed, respondent was 1 and 2, who has informed that his clients have demitted office long back. Full stop. It is, however, seen that no application for impleading the present incumbents have been filed till now. Para, be that as it may, and in the interest of justice, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable the petitioner to file application for impleadment. Full stop, list after 2 weeks.
15 losses here, I am facing a difficulty. I have seen the last occasion, I was directly to take the instruction from the NC Hills. So that instruction I am unable to get. I have informed the council for the NC Hills, Mr. RM Das Losif today. So I have also given him the information. Losif, kindly give us 1 week time. Otherwise, all the parties, they are no longer,
Okay, none appears
in
for the petitioner on call.
they are all retired.
Para. Sri SMT History Learned Council for the respondent.
Respondent 1.
Number 1 has however prayed for some more time to obtain the necessary instructions as per the earlier order dated 26/4/2024. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed after 2 weeks.
My name for respondent 6.
Sri B. Deuri, Sri B. Deuri, Learned Council is present for respondent number
6.
6. Do for a second, it will Milai divide. 16.
Lordship, in this case, the FTPO has already been issued way back in
Here for
23
whom?
for the accountant general.
Okay, complied with.
We have issued the family.
None
pension.
appears for the petitioner on call, whereas the who is appearing? History,
I am for, yes,
Respondent 2.
I am for 1 and 4 losses.
whereas 3 SMT History Learned Council for respondent was
1 and 4.
1 and 4, comma 3 B Deuri Learned Council for respondent number 2, and 3 B Chakraborty Learned Council for respondent number 6. 3 are present. Para. 3 Chakraborty, the Learned Council, has placed before this court a communication dated 17/11/2021, whereby the Office of the Principal Accountant General, Assam, has informed the Treasury Officer Dhubri regarding the sanction for family pension.
Family pension.
Full stop, para. It appears that the order in question has been substantially complied with. Para. In view of the above, the instant petition stands closed. Para. Copy of the communication dated 17/11/2021 along with its enclosures are made part of the records. We have a copy extra.
Lordship.
Pension
17 years. Seventeen. None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas 3 SMT History Learned Council for the respondent. Whereas 3 B Deuri Learned Council for the respondent is present. Para. There has been continuous non-representation on behalf of the petitioner. Ever since filing of this case in the year 2020, full stop, in this regard, comma. The orders dated 17/2/2020 and 13/2/2024 may be referred. Para. The petitioner has also, the Learned Council for the petitioner has also, the learned petitioner has also, learned petitioner, the petitioner has also not taken the steps as directed by the order dated 17/2/2020, and the said fact was also noted by this court in the subsequent order. Para. It clearly appears that the petitioner is not interested to pursue this case. Accordingly, the same is dismissed for non-prosecution.
I may be permitted to be recorded my name in the for this. My lord, item number 13. I came late, my lord, few minutes.
Here for whom?
Petitions, my lord.
We have closed this petition.
my lord, pension yet to be granted, my lord.
Pension not yet
No,
granted?
no.
But this was of 2021 that,
No, my lord.
when did you take the instructions?
My lord, I have taken instruction from the petitioners.
When?
Prior to 10 days, my lord.
Recently?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, pension is
But
not
it was
granted.
already been sanctioned, it was given.
No, no letter has been furnished to us.
No, I don't.
Item number 13.
Pune Municipal Authority to give you. You should come, Mr. Council, what is this? You are not around. We pass a final order. We cannot change the orders like this.
My lord, I'm sorry deeply because I thought that subsequently matter may be taken up. That's why.
Subsequently means we have not taken your matter out of turn.
Actually, my lord, it is shown in the cause list, division basis also here. So
Where?
to this list, my lord.
Division bench is there.
Yes, sir.
Where?
We should see the notification.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I am sorry, my lord. I have not seen the notification. 13 number.
32 listen. What is your name?
Muhammad MS Ali.
I heard
Muhammad.
MD MS Ali, Senate Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri SMT Chishti. In this case, who had appeared? Chakraborty had appeared or what? No.
No, in this case, no, none has appeared, lordships.
No, for the respondents?
For the lordships, I am in Devri, lordships.
Okay. Okay. Also heard Sri SMT Shishti Learned Council, SMT Shishti as well as Sri B. Devri Learned Council for the respondents. Para. Though the Learned Council for the respondents has submitted that the pension proposal was forwarded
To the director of pension from the.
to the Director of Pension, comma. The Learned Council for the petitioner has submitted that as per last instructions received, comma, the pension is yet to be released. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable
Then he will get the instruction, lordship.
the respondents, to enable the Learned Council for the respondents, more particularly Sri Devri, to obtain the instructions. বিপ্লব সেইটো মাৰিব লাগে, এইটো 13 টো মাৰিব না তুমি? Item 19. None appears for the petitioner on call. Whereas you are appearing, Mr.
No, lordship.
On call, definitely. Even on the last occasion, that is 4/3/2025, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Para?
Yes, sir.
This court has also noted that in this petition pending since the year 2020, comma, steps as directed by the learned Lawazima Court way back in the year 2021 have not been taken. Para? It clearly appears that the petitioner has lost interest in the case. Full stop. The petition is accordingly closed due to want of prosecution. Yes. None appears for the petitioner on call. Even on the last occasion, that is 4/3/2025, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Full stop. The petition is pending since the year 2020. Para? It appears that the petitioner has lost interest in prosecution of this case. Para? In view of the above, the petition is closed. Petition is closed for want of prosecution.
Twenty-two, Lordship, we have complied, we have issued a compliance order. Asana? Huh? File name?
22, heard. 3. And Gautam,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard. 3. SMT Chisti, learned counsel for the respondents.
Respondents.
Para. Page Chisti, the learned counsel has placed before this court a communication dated 10/2/2024 addressed to him by the secretary to the government of Assam, School Education Department, enclosing copy of an order dated 10/6/2020 passed pursuant to the direction of this court. Full stop. On perusal of the said order, it appears that the direction of this court has been substantially complied with. Full stop. The petition accordingly stands closed. Have you challenged this? No, you have not challenged.
Probably we have challenged.
Huh? Probably, no?
Probably.
Copy of the order question and close to the petition will last up. Huh? Equal last up. Copy of the communication dated. No, last up. Copy of the communication dated 10/2/2024 along with the enclosures are made part of the records of the question. Oh, fine.
Lordship.
23 on last occasion, I have submitted that department had already sanctioned an amount of 10,94,096 rupees as an arrears sale, Lordship. And by this time,
Paid or not?
I think it was paid, Lordship. It was
None
issued in
appears
the
for the
2024
petitioner
itself.
on call. What's the para? Sri Assembly Shisti, learned counsel for the respondent, has however submitted that an amount of rupees 10,94,096 was sanctioned as arrear salaries. Full stop. The said submission, however, appears to have been made on an earlier date, that is 11/10/2023, whereafter there is no response from the petitioner, para, be that as it may, and in the interest of justice, consideration of this matter is deferred by 2 weeks
Yes.
to enable the petitioner to represent himself.
Yes.
29. Yes, 29. D. Gogoi. D. Gogoi. R. Bora. None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas, madam, you're appearing.
Yes,
What is your name?
PCA
For which respondent?
for respondent number 2, NC Hills.
And sales.
Only one is a director.
But is Mr. Amitabh Rajkwa this the principal secretary? He is not the principal secretary. Changed, I think. You had appeared earlier.
No, earlier my other senior appeared.
No, this incumbent might have changed.
Yes,
This
yes.
is a contempt petition. You do not appear for NC Hills. You appear for a particular individual. It's not a writ petition, okay? But nonetheless, you're and you are appearing for respondent number 1.
For Pitam sir, he is retired long
Okay,
back.
no, also non-episode, sir. Also heard SMT 60 for the respondent number 1 and Miss so-and-so for the respondent number 2, who have both submitted that the incumbents for whom whom they represent have demitted office long time back. Full stop, para. It also appears that the petitioner has not taken fresh steps. Para. Even on the last, question, even on the last occasion, that is 8/11/2024, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioners. Para. There was no representation. Para. In view of the above, it appears that the petitioner has lost interest in this case, and accordingly, the same is closed due to want of prosecution.
Right.
You give your name, madam?
He was already been appointed.
No,
Huh?
not appointed.
Item number
30, my lord.
30.
Yes, my lord. This petitioner not regularized 92 appointee. Then, my lord, there is a direction on the last occasion. They have to file a affidavit, my lords, clearing the status. But my instruction is no appointment is given to him.
Last order 38/24 by order date 29/9/21 issued by Respondent 2. That order.
So they have to bring its reports, my lord, so we can respond or because the last occasion, Honorable Court has said this.
Now, you can challenge that order by which your regularization has been declined. It is considered,
Yes.
which culminated in an order of 29/9/2021, whereby your prayer for regularization or your prayer for
Provincialization.
has been rejected,
Yes.
provincialization. Now we can challenge that. Now we cannot continue with this contempt.
Yes, madam. We can say. So liberty may be given.
Oh,
my-
definitely, we'll grant you liberty. Heard Sri M.J. Barua, learned counsel for the petitioners.
Yes, ma'am.
Also heard Sri S.M.T. Chisti,
1, 2,
learned
and 3.
counsel for the responsibles.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Para. The instant application was instituted alleging willful and deliberate disobedience of an order dated so-and-so passed in WPC so-and-so. ठीक है sir? During the pendency of this case, it however appears that an order dated 29/9/2021 was passed by the Director of Secondary Education declining the claim of the petitioner for provincialization of service. And this fact was brought on record, which is brought to the notice of this court, which was recorded in the previous order dated 38/2024. Para. In view of the aforesaid development, while this court would refrain from making any comments on the legality or otherwise of the order dated 29/9/2021 is concerned, the contempt petition is closed. Full stop. Liberty is accordingly granted to the petitioner to challenge the said order in an appropriate manner if so advised.
Yes. Obliged.
Item 31, my colleague Orno Pugan here, suppose he has all the instruction lawsuit. All of lawsuit, can you take it up after some time? May I call him? Please.
Okay, we'll try.
Partly complied with, but
Yes, he said it was
in
complied.
respect of the pension is concerned, my lord, the commissioner secretary passed an order to give the pension on the basis of this honorable court order. But my lord, GPF account number was not obtained, which is pending before the director.
I think if he comes, we can close this.
Yes.
He might have some instructions on this
Yeah,
GPF thing.
he has instruction. He said that he will. appear
Okay,
in-
after a while, Mr. Bora,
Yes.
we'll record your name. Even if you do not come, we'll record your name.
Yes.
Just remind us.
Yes.
Ask your colleague to be there.
Yes.
Yes, at 33, Mr. Saikia. Where is Mr. Saikia?
Sir, he will be coming, sir.
Here,
what is-
Lordship, here the secretary, government has already issued a resanction an amount of 8,65,403 lawsuits, and it was sent to the accountant general. Resanction.
Mr. Saikya will be coming.
Okay, sir, we will obtain the instructions, sir.
Is he there in the court or
No,
not?
he is coming, he will be coming.
Has he reached the court or not? Not
Just he has
reached.
called me, I did not receive because
No,
I.
no, he has not reached.
So he will reach, sir. He's on.
He
20
will
minutes.
reach.
Yeah, within 1 hour.
Is a fair, within 1 hour.
No, within an hour, no, within 10 minutes. He has called
10
me.
minutes.
Just, I have to inquire.
He's coming from some other place or from Rupnagar? Rupnagar, where?
Rupnagar, sir.
Rupnagar.
Oh.
You don't need 1 hour,
Oh, no, he is 15 minutes, sir.
15 minutes.
Yes, sir. That's-
He has got a different timing for the court.
No, sir. No, he told me to obtain the
Okay,
instruction.
we'll have this after some time. If he comes,
Oh.
otherwise we'll adjourn the matter. Okay,
Oblige, your lord.
please ask him to come.
Okay.
Sir, it has been complained.
Yes, Mr. Arunav Hukan. Where is your colleague, Mr. Bora, N. Bora?
Oh, no, he has some case. He
No,
said-
no, we can record his name. As
Yes,
it
yes.
is. You have got the GPF? Huh?
I'll just give the, instruction.
Hetu দিব লাগিছিল, এইটো তেখেতৰ। Oh, just a minute, Mr.
Yes.
Deol, we'll take up that matter.
Can we take up some time, my lord? I'll just give the instructions, my lord. We'll take out.
Okay.
Till then, my lord, the petitioner will come.
Yes, Mr. Deori. Item number?
Item number 34. It has been complied with.
None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas Sri B. Deori learned counsel for the
Respondent number 2.
respondent number 2 is present. Full stop. The instant application alleges deliberate and willful non-compliance of an order dated so-and-so passed in WPC so-and-so. Para. Sri Deori, the learned counsel for the respondent, has however submitted that the order in question has been complied with in the meantime. And in this connection, he has placed before this court a communication dated 22/4/2024 issued to him whereby an order dated whereby a communication dated 9/4/2024 9/4/2024 issued by the Treasury Officer Hailakandi has been enclosed. Full stop. In the said order, it has been clearly stated that an amount of rupees 1,42,562 is refunded to the petitioner directly in his bank account. Para. It appears that the order in question has been substantially complied with. Para. In view of the above, this court is of the opinion that there is no requirement to further continue with this contempt petition. Para. Accordingly, the same stands closed. The copies of the communication dated 22/4/2024 and along with its enclosure dated 9/4/2024 are made part of the records.
Item 35, we have complied, Lordship. We have already paid the area salary.
Yes, complied with.
Yes, it was,
Yes, Mr. Complied with?
Yes, Lordship.
What is your name
C. Kolita.
on behalf of DC Bora?
No, M. Sakya, Lordship.
Item number?
Item 35 on behalf of DC Bora.
No, sir.
Item 35. No, Pompi Sarkar.
No, he's in some other case. What is the name of your petitioner?
Bikul Bora, Lordship.
No, no, no. You are in
Bikul
some
Bora,
other
no.
matter.
Orders of 35?
Nahi yaar, nahi Bikul Bora. It only content. Only content is to make AB.
No, no.
Restriction nahi hai yaar, only content में use.
What one? 5?
This is 5.
Sorry, Lordship.
You should look into check your causes properly. Young
Yes,
counsel,
yes,
why are you
yes,
making
yes.
this kind of difficulty?
That amount was section already credited to her bank account, Lordships. It is there.
None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas SMT Shristi Learned Council is present for the respondent number 1.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Para? This petition was instituted alleging willful and deliberate disobedience of an order that is so and so passed in WPC. Para? 3. Shristi, the Learned Council has however submitted that during the pendency of this petition, the order in question has been complied with. Full stop. In this connection, he has produced before this court a communication dated 21/11/2022 issued by the Director of Secondary Education along with the enclosures, which includes the Treasury Chalan. Kolkata. In view of the aforesaid development, this court is of the opinion that the order in question appears to be substantially complied with, and there would be no requirement to further continue with this petition. Full stop. The petition accordingly stands closed. Para? The copies of the communications mentioned above are made part of the records. Thirty-six, yes. None appears for the petitioner on call.
And the respondents are also no longer in service. Look, all the respondents.
Full stop. Even on previous occasions, there has been non-representation on behalf of the petitioners. Para? Sri SMT Shristi Learned Council,
Yes.
who
all
had
the-
appeared for the respondent number 1,
1, 2, and 3. All the
respondents
Yes.
has informed that the incumbents arrayed as respondents have demitted their office long back, and there is no application for implement of new parties. Para? Be that as it may, and in the interest of justice, a further opportunity is granted to the petitioner. Para? List after 2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, 2 weeks time may be granted to implement of.
Otherwise, I have instructed that Treasury, that pension has already issued the PPO order. Lordship may kindly peruse this instruction lover.
If it is complied with, why are you unnecessarily filing implement application?
Lordship, instruction.
When is this date, Mr. Chisti?
That is not legible, Lordship. That is the difficulty that I am facing.
Maybe the month?
Your number is there, government is there. Devi Mata, Devi Mata. Sir. 38. Oh, patient, patient.
This has been sanctioned.
Lordship, GPF already paid.
You paid. And what about the pension?
Amount of pension it is mentioned.
This is also
It's
amount-
part of the government, Lordship, state government Lordship, because he was a school employee.
This enclosure to your communication, Mr. Chisti.
Yes.
Would show that PPO has been issued.
Issued amount of pension is 41,740. That was there. I think he is receiving, Lordship.
What is your name?
M. Hussain on behalf of RLE.
Heard Sri M. Hussain Learned Council appearing on, no, M. Hussain Learned Council appearing on behalf of Sri R. Ali Learned Council for the petitioner. Full stop. Also heard Sri SMT Shisti.
For two.
Learned Council for response number 2 and Sri R.K. Talukdar.
For response for my lord.
Learned Council for response number 4. Para. The instant petition was filed alleging willful and deliberate disobedience of an order dated passed in WPC so and so. Para. Both the Learned Council for the respondents have, however, submitted that that the aspect of pension as well as GPF have been considered and released to the petitioner. First of all, in this connection, copies of the concerned communication have been placed before this court. First of all, after perusal of the same, this court is of the opinion that the order of this court has been substantially complied with. First of all, accordingly, the instant petition is closed. The copies of the communication placed before this court are made part of the records.
Lordship, I am for response number 3, my lord.
I can tell you for 3, not 4. 3. Yes.
DPF.
Item 31.
31, Mr. Bora. Mr. Fukan.
My lord.
But dear Lordship, go to the order receipt, my lord. Page 15, my lord, and operative portion, page 16, my lord.
No, there is some, you have a talk with Mr. Fukan, I think it's complied with.
Yes, one money has been, some period has been received. But one problem is there is a two direction. One direction is the regular salary with scale of pay from the date of my lord passing the junior basic training. And they paid till 2018, and from 2018 they did not pay. And in respect of pension, second part is concerned pension.
Yes.
The commissioner secretary passed an order to allow us to the old pension scheme. But they have not any GPF account that is pending before the.
GPF, you are supposed to have the instructions, pension part.
My lord, the other part, I think, my lord, which instruction which I have got, my lord, is that, my lord,
This is the.
2 crores 82 lakhs, my lord, 63,000 has been 138. My lord, the lordship sees the instructions I have given, my lord.
That is, my lord is pending before the respondent today did not pass the any my lord pension, my lord regarding GPF.
Have you cleared or not this amount?
This amount, my lord, is cleared, man. Kindly see, my lord.
It's cleared.
No, that is cleared, but till my lord, but 1/8/2018 to 28/2/2023 they did not.
Let us see the order in question.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Page 16, my lord.
1/6.
Page 16, my lord. Operative portion, my lord.
Yes.
The third para, my lord.
Yes.
As regards this claim, it has been submitted that authorities have already declared that those teachers who passed junior basic training course before 25/1/2005 shall not be covered under new pension scheme as evident from the so-and-so 15/2010. Accordingly, this court is of the view that since the petitioner had obtained their junior basic training course 2002, that is the before so-and-so, their case also covered by the old pension scheme and not by the new pension scheme.
Yes.
With the above observation and direction of present petition is then allowed, respondents are directed to make payment in terms of the pay scale attached to the post along with earlier petitioner within period of 4 months from the date of receiver certified copies of this order.
So which part is not complied with?
My lord, is respect of pension, my lord. The pension is concerned, my lord.
Pension will be in the old pension scheme.
Yes, my lord. That is, my lord, passed by the commissioner secretary.
Yes.
That is there, my lord, in our court.
So what is the
But
non-compliance?
Non-compliant, they did not issue any, my lord, GPF number. So thereby nothing is done. That is the your lordship disorder, my lord. That is pending before the response number 2, my lord.
GPF has been given or not?
That instruction I'll have to get, my lord.
Get in instructions.
But otherwise, the other amount which is there, that amount is paid.
Not disputed.
No, that is for the
That is
arrear
for the
pays.
arrear.
Arrear pays.
My lord.
In the scale which this court had directed.
My lord.
This court had also directed that the pension has to be calculated on the old pension scheme,
OPS.
not by the NPS.
Right.
And for that, there is a requirement of the GPF.
GPF account. So I'll get the instruction only for
That
that.
is pending before the director, my lord.
My lord.
Heard Sri N. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioners.
My lord.
Also heard Sri A. Fukan, learned counsel for the respondent number 1, who at the outset has informed this court that his client has limited office on attaining the age of superannuation long back, full stop. Nonetheless, he has submitted that written instructions have been obtained as per which there is substantial compliance of the order in question. Full stop. He, however, prays for some more time to obtain further instructions on the issue of giving the benefit to the petitioners of the old pension scheme as per direction of this court. Para? List after 2 weeks. That's a small matter. You get the instructions whether it's done. If it's not done, what is the status?
My lord, I'll do that.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Next. 39 years. Who's there? 39 contempt.
The respondents are no longer in service anyway, lawsuits. Here,
None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas 3 SMT Chisti Learned Council is present for respondent number
I'm for the respondent 1 and 2 both lawsuits.
1 and 2.
Yes.
Full stop. He has submitted that the said respondents have demitted office
In
long
fact,
time back.
Yes. In fact, here lawsuits, what happened?
No, we are not closing this,
Yeah.
long time back. And in spite of grant of time to the petitioners to include the new incumbents, no such no. Is Miss Senapati the respondent number 3 is presently? No.
Director Elementary is
She's there. IA has been filed, but is not being pressed. No, don't say.
Perhaps lawsuits he has lost because in that earlier writ petition lawsuit, there was a direction to pay his area salary. Government has sanctioned it. Then he has filed another case lawsuit, WPC number 50.
Okay, we'll give some Tarago last night only. Yes, isn't it? Last time, long time back, full stop para. In the interest of justice, consideration of this matter is adjourned by 2 weeks. Let us see what they do after 2 weeks. 40.
May it please your lordship. This matter on the last occasion, lordships, the London Council for the respondent number 1 has sought for time to file affidavit, lordship. This with regard to the non-payment of pension and pensionary benefits, lordship.
Where is the direction, madam?
Lordship, that is in page number.
Who is appearing? You are appearing.
P. Sharma.
Sri Sharma. You are Sri Sharma.
Yes,
What is your instruction, madam?
we will be filing our affidavit in the course of the day. Your lordship.
It's a new matter.
Yes,
Notice issued, madam.
Yes, lord. Service complete, lordship.
Okay, you have not filed your affidavit.
we will be filing in the course.
Okay,
of the
then
day.
you file your affidavit.
Yes,
Madam, you are not on record.
Yes, lordship, I'm not in behalf
M.
of
Nirola.
AQI.
N or M?
M, lordship.
Heard Miss M. Nirola, Learned Council, appearing on instruction of 3A. Hawari.
Yes, lordship.
For the petitioner. Full stop. In this case, notice was issued on 16/5/2025. Para? Yes, per is 25%, to which Miss
PCA.
PCA Learned Council has entered appearance on behalf of the
Respondent 1.
respondent number 1. What about the other respondents? You are appearing for respondent number? Number, respondent number. These are
Respondent number 4, lordship.
4. K.S. Gopinath.
Yes, lord.
What about the others? District Adult Education Officer Haflong. Then the Director Non-Formal Education. Anyone appearing? No, you have to file wakalat nama. These are contempt petition. Ms. And give your name, okay, madam? Has entered appearance for behalf of respondent numbers 1 and 4 respectively, huh? 1 huh? On behalf of C Sharma. Bracket on behalf of C Sharma, I don't know bracket, Para. The aspect of service of notice upon the other respondents. Now, there is no service report regarding regarding the service upon the other respondents. Para. List after 3 weeks with a fresh service report. By the next date, the respondent numbers 1 and 4 may also file their affidavit.
Yes. Lordship, on last 28/2025, Lordship, service completed. It is.
Is it on all the respondents?
See, accordingly, in respect of all the respondents, tense completed on
28?
28th of August, Lordship.
Oh, last one, you're correct. To na lage, huh? Last na lage. List after 3 weeks to enable to enable the respondents to file their response.
Not received the pension.
Huh?
We have not received the pension paper as per instruction.
You put it on affidavit.
Yes, Lordship, not open.
Yes.
Your lordship's order.
Well, we have considered their cases, madam.
Considered.
Yes, madam. An office order, speaking of that in part.
Speak of. Provided of it.
Competition.
Please give a copy to Mr. Vishwas.
Yes, I have
Yes,
prepared a copy.
Speaking order has been passed.
Yes, my lord. Rejected, my lord.
Okay, we'll give you liberty, Mr. Vishwas.
Enhanced. Payment under.
Heard Sri S.C. Vishwas, Learned Counsel for the petitioners.
Well,
We'll give you liberty.
Yes, kind.
Learned Counsel for the petitioners who has approached this court alleging willful and deliberate disobedience of an order dated 28/8/2024 passed in WPC 4219 of 2024. Full stop. As per the state order, comma. The cases of the petitioners were directed to be considered by verification of their documents. Full stop. Para. Shri B. Das, Learned Counsel for the respondent, all respondents has, however, informed that the aforesaid direction has been complied with and a speaking order dated 4/8/2025 has been passed rejecting the cases of the petitioners after such consideration. Full stop. He has also placed before this court a copy of the aforesaid order dated 4/8/2025. Para?
Yes.
In view of the aforesaid development, this court is of the view that without making any comments on the legality of the speaking order, the order in question appears to be substantially complied with. Full stop. Accordingly, the contempt petition is closed. Full stop. However, liberty is given to the petitioners to challenge the legality of the order dated 4/8/2025 in an appropriate case.
Right.
The order dated 4/8/2025 is made part of the records. What was the next? Where is Mr. R.C. Saikia? Turning for good nugget. Mr. Das, can you inform Mr. R.C. Saikia or any one of his R.C. Saikia, senior counsel? Time was sought for any one of his colleagues, chamber colleagues, somebody had sought time. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, what case? Which case? No case. You are watching the proceedings. Enjoying or not enjoying? কি কৰো নাহে নেকি? আৰু আহিলে আৰু মাতিব 1 মিনিট ৰখিছো। ভূঞা other side কোন আছিলে? সৃষ্টি নতুন order, huh? Mr. Gogoi, you are in this matter, RC Sekia's matter. There is a communication which appears that matter has been complied, the order has been complied with. But Miss R. Bharali, Learned Council appears for the. Who is Miss R. Bharali? RC Sekia. পিছত দি দিব হলো না ৰিলিজ on the court call তেওঁৰ chamber on the court call we'll fix some other date sir no point with a prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri R.C. Sekia, the senior counsel for the petitioner. Considering the above, let this matter be listed after a week.
Yes.